Hello, hello, hello. It's Christine Trainor here, talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Welcome to my channel, my lovely friends, as I continue on my series of tips and strategies for online marketing and more, shall we say. Okie dokie. Welcome to my channel, like I said before. And if you're new to my channel, let me give you a little skinny of who I am. I'm, of course, Canadian from the west coast of Canada, British Columbia, Canada, and I'm 60 years old. And I've been, of course, in direct marketing, well, basically digital marketing, as well as an entrepreneur for the past 2 years, as I said. Now, before that, for over 35 years, I had a variety of different jobs. I mean, I was outside internet, online, variety of different jobs, you name it. I was doing something to keep a roof over my head, food in the fridge, and keep us on a steady path of income on a daily basis for myself and my husband, as well as when my son was little. And my son now is 37. He's on his own as a security guard, and of course, my husband been with my second husband, shall we say, for the past 23 years. He's a welder, so he's kind of a different kind of job. So like I said before, a number of years ago, though, I did fall in love with direct marketing because I was doing it in the office with my sister. She had a wonderful office, a little small company in Vancouver, west of me. And so I started doing that with her, and I fell in love with it. I loved the idea of working online, doing direct marketing. And it was a little bit different than it was what we're doing now, but it still was something I enjoyed. Fast forward, of course, a number of years later, the office closed, so of course I had to go on and do other things, but I still wanted to do that. And so a couple of years ago, I took the bull by the horn, decided to go back into that because my why was this. I wanted to earn an income online. I wanted to do the laptop lifestyle. I wanted to have the time and freedom to work at home and to be with my sweet husband and, of course, my son when I can, and to earn an income into my retirement years, and that's what I did. And been 2 years now, learned a variety of tips and strategies for online marketing, as well as I had some good times, bad times, ins and outs, shall we say. I lost some money, earned some money. In the past few months, I've earned even more money because I started with a beautiful program of Successful Solution Method created by WRAY. And today I have a question to ask you. Or actually, I'm going to share something with you. How you can earn up to $500 daily just doing simple daily tasks. Now let's explore that, shall we? Let's carry on to the next segment. Stay to the end. It has some wonderful proof to share with you as well. It's going to be fun. Let's carry on to the next segment, shall we? Hello. I think I'm in Hawaii. I'm not sure. Okay, guys. I digress. You know me. I like to be silly with my green screens. But now, this particular segment, I'm going to share how you can actually earn between 500 to 1,000 to 50 to 100 weekly by doing simple daily tasks. And why am I sharing this? Because I'm sure you're interested and curious why I'm talking about this, right? Going curious, what is she talking about? This sounds interesting. And you're probably curious, why is she sharing about earning $500 to $1,000 a week, weekly or daily? It depends on how much you earn. And I tell you this, it's because I'm part of a beautiful platform called Successful Solution Method, created by WRAY, to help people like myself to earn some good, decent income. Why? Because we want to build a business online the right way. And through her particular platform, we start to earn. And as we're earning, we're starting to do much more online because we're learning and we're earning an income. So let me share to Successful Solution page because it's growing even. I think it's going to be close to 10,000 soon. That's how wonderful the page is. Let me go to share screen. Let me go to there we go. Here we go. This is Successful Solution Method, a beautiful, beautiful platform. And as it says, Successful Solution Method, we help meet you at success. Approaching traffic in a way that works. Let's complete tasks and earn together. And that's what all the members are doing. We're completing tasks and we're earning daily. 50, 100, 500 to 1,000, you name it, we're doing it because we're doing the right thing. We're applying what she's training us. Yes, indeed. So let me see if I can go down a little bit here. Here's somebody here. I'm going down slow. This is our wonderful Michelle Thomas, Grand Rising. Happy Saturday. I woke up to a lovely surprise, and here it is. She just earned $500 today. That's what basically because she did her daily tasks. Okay. Let me see if we can go down a little further here. I'm not trying to be faster. Here's another one. This is wonderful, Better Emmanuel. She's a beautiful person. When you have this kind of news before bedtime, you will have a beautiful dream. And she woke up, $450 a day. See, hello, Better. You received $450 USD from Amanda Ryan. She is the creator. But there, see, she just earned a $450 a day right there. That's for doing daily tasks, simple daily tasks to help build a business line the right way with Successful Solution Method. It's an amazing, beautiful platform. Let's go down a little bit more. Here's one here. This is Morenikije Usman. She just earned $200, $350, $450. $450, $500, another $500 a day right there. She earned by just doing simple daily tasks. And she said, just wanted to say a big thank you to Amanda WRAY. Super excited. I was chatting with beautiful Monica, and boom, this came in this night. God bless all SSM family and all the Amy Mook coaches. Amazing. She just did that. This is part of the beauty of Successful Solution Method. You can earn. Let's go down a bit more, see if we can get somebody else here. And here's somebody who just went up a package to platinum, which I'm at, because the person is earning. Let's go somebody else who's earning here. Somebody who's doing very well with his engagement. But we're talking about results here. This is our results meeting. Let me go down here further. Another person who did very well with her results and engagement online. 433 people engaged in this beautiful picture of hers. Let's go down a little bit more. Somebody ordered traffic. Let's keep going down. I'm trying to go down just a few people here. Alrighty, let's keep going down a bit. This is a beautiful one. This wonderful person, Jerome Midget, boom, got off a mastermind call and saw that I had a $500 day. Exactly, because those are the banners we receive. You see this? This is the banners everyone, I love actually that color. The banners we receive when we we earn, and he just earned $500 a day with it. So you can earn. These are beautiful banners, aren't they? Let me continue on here. Another person. This is Myra Valmont. She just earned $150. And what does she say? This treasure popped up tonight. Great start to the weekend. Thanks. So there you go. See, it's proof that this does work. Another one by Toyosi. She earned $200, $300, $450. Yes, indeedy. These are the banners that we receive when we receive payments. So you earned. These 3 banners hit me by surprise yesterday, $450, and you still wonder, is this working? Your mindset is only your limitation. Exactly. So this is what I want to share with you today, my lovely friends. And this wonderful person just had a $50, quick little $50 one. Every single little bit counts. 50, 150, 100, they all count because they're starting to earn. This person earned 150. So there you go. I'll go back to my page. Actually, we're going to stay on Successful Solution Method. So this is Successful Solution Method. This is a beautiful task-based platform where we earn as we learn. Each one of these people, part of the beautiful community, they're each doing the tasks on a daily basis, and they are earning, and they're learning, and they're earning. And you can get $500, $150, $250, as you can see all the banners of what they earn. Okay, so that I hope is a good value for you today, my lovely friends. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a like and comment to my video, as well as click the link below for my next tips and strategies of online marketing and more, because I share a bit more about Successful Solution Method. And subscribe to my channel, my lovely friends. I have much more I'm sharing as well. And if you're curious, you want to know how you can do the same thing, give me a pop on over to my Facebook page. I have the link down below, and give me a direct message me, and I'll share with you the information all about Successful Solution Method and how we can help you to become successful, earning between $500 to $1,000 daily. Okie dokie. Plus, my lovely friends, I have my phone. If you want to keep in touch with me, I'm available as well. You can send me a text. Plus, if you want to get started now, I have the link to Successful Solution Method down below as well. Click on it and get started too. Why not? Why not be successful like these wonderful members I'm a part of too as well? Plus, pop on over to the Facebook group here. We have 9,000 strong, and come see what it's all about even more. We have 9.1 members in total. So I hope you enjoy this value, my lovely friends. I will see you on the other side to success. Bye.